All right, going to be taking a look at stock ticker symbol AGEN. Sorry, $3.81. Coming off of this level down here. I can pop that line up there. You guys had a big move from up here, $4.50 down to $3.77 in one day. Big drop, definitely big enough to spike some attention here. You guys, yeah, there was a big fall off back here too. Looks like October all the way from the $7.30 mark, boom, down to $3. Just quick time. Just over about 2 weeks of time. Bounced off of that hardcore, off of that level. Right back up to $5.92 general. I'm not giving you guys exact right now. That's a lot to go through. But you guys come back down. Couldn't quite make it down to that support. That's fine though, right? Bounced sideways off of it. Came down to it again. Big drop down. We're going to watch for this thing to hold the $3. I can move that up a little. We're going to watch for this this whole hold right around this level. I want to snap that back up there. There we go. Watch for it to hold this level and bounce off that 377 area. It's got a history of it consecutively over and over. Look at that. Look how many times. It's been such a big area for this stock. Even back in 2016, early 2016, right there, right here, right here, right here. Watch for it right here. Doesn't go too far below it. We're going to be watching for that bounce, though, off that area. Turn it over to Joe. See what Joe has to add.
All right, so with these guys, there was two recent press releases. Well, not that recent. They're a little over. One was over a month old. Well, both of them were from last month. But that's the recent updates from them, anyways. So it was on January 7th. They announced Agenus announces collaboration with National Cancer Institute to evaluate the combination of pembrolizumab, and it's basically abbreviated where it's Keytruda. It's a Merck company incorporated with Profage, the genus autologous vaccine. I have no idea what this is, but I'm going to learn about it right now. So on January 7th, Agenus Incorporated, an immuno-oncology company with a pipeline of immuno-checkpoint antibodies and cancer vaccines, announced a clinical trial collaboration with the National Cancer Institute. The double-blind, randomized, controlled phase 2 trial will evaluate the effect of Agenus personalized autologous vaccine candidate Profage in conjunction with Merck's pembrolizumab on the overall survival rate of patients with newly diagnosed glioblastoma. The trial will be conducted by the Brain Tumor Trials Collaborative, a consortium of top academic centers led by Dr. Mark Gilbert, Chief of Neuro-Oncology Branch at the NCI Center for Cancer Research. So that was that right there. So about this company right here, Agenus is a clinical stage immuno-oncology company focused on the discovery and development of novel therapies that engage the body's immune system to fight cancer. The company's vision is to expand the patient's populations benefiting from cancer immunotherapy by pursuing a number of combinational approaches that leverage a broad repertoire of antibody therapeutics and proprietary cancer vaccine platforms. The company is equipped with a suite of antibody discovery platforms and a state-of-the-art GMP manufacturing facility with the capacity to support pre-commercial clinical programs. Agenus is based in Lexington, Massachusetts. And for more information, you can visit their company's website at www.agenusbio.com and geniusbio.com. So that's that pretty much for that. But then the press release that they had after that was where they announced that the Agenus appoints Jean Marie Cloulette, MD, to become the chief medical officer. So she is, she's obviously a new addition to the company, or he is actually. Sorry. So I actually thought it was a girl at first. I'm sorry, Mr. Coolerat. Unfortunately, with this press release I'm looking at over on Investors Hangout, they have a nice picture of you. So I was able to clarify that right away. All right, so I mean, I can go into like his background, and obviously it's extensive, and he obviously is a very educated person. But I'll leave that to you guys. You could basically go over onto the basically just type in the AGEN ticker, go right over to the recent news. You can go right down to the January 30th press release, and you could read that one right there. And obviously, you could also go and check out, you know, more information on the company by going into the filings and go, you know, research the financials. Or if you have any information on the company, feel free to go and share it with the tens of thousands of other like-minded investors that are visiting Investors Hangout daily by posting it on that particular board. And that is that.
All right, stock ticker symbol AGEN. As always, if you guys are following this stock, make sure you click subscribe and stay updated. $3.81. Watch for a bounce off of the 377 area. Resistance at $4. $4.40. $5 support at 377. We'll need to hold. So we're going to be watching for that. Buying interest looks like it's returning. We will definitely keep an eye on that. You guys seen the channels that I did, or the support lines that ran back all the way to 2014. Yeah, it's been way back there. So it's been an area. $3.77 has always been an area for this one. Again, stock ticker symbol AGEN.